To walk you through an example for the next exercise. The first thing that you're going to want to do is go up and click Measure, and then you'll see several tools here. The first item that we're going to do is distance, and that's this ruler looking thing. Once you have that, go to your map, and the distance you'll click once and then drag your line and then double click, and that will finish that distance, and you'll see the measurement here up in the little drop down box. The next thing that you're asked to do is do an area. So for that, there's another tool right here called area. You'll just double click that, or just click on it once, and then the area that you want to measure, you'll click once, and then you can kind of draw a square by clicking once at each of the corners. Okay, so you'll have some sort of shape, and that can be whatever shape you want really. When you're finished, just go ahead and double click, and then that will be displayed again over here. Now if you have a small area that you're trying to measure, square miles will not work for you. You're going to want to do probably square feet, square yards, or square meters would be a better idea, rather than squared miles, again, if that's a small area. The last little bit is trying to figure out where you are for latitude and longitude, and to do that, that's this little box that looks like it has a cross squares, and once you click that, you can hover over any location on the map, and you can see in the drop-down menu both the latitude and longitude for that location. If you click on it, that will stay, and so then you can find another spot. So you can see the little circle here corresponds to this latitude and longitude, and then if I want to do another one, I can click another one there, and now that's this latitude and longitude. The other thing that you're going to want to do is put in some push pins at certain locations. And so to do that, you're going to go up to the Add button here, Add Content to Map, and you're going to scroll down to Add Map Notes. And you can call this whatever you want. Makes no difference really. Once you do that, you'll have a palette that comes up with different tools. So one of the things that I've asked you to do is put in a push pin, and so I'll click on the push pin symbol, and then wherever you're going to put that push pin, go to the map and click, and that push pin will be there. You can give it a name, and then if you want to change the symbol that you're using, you can click that here, and you can pick any of these symbols. You can change, they have tons of different symbols here. If you click on the shapes, they can change, what's inside and the line as well. You can change the size, so if you want to make it bigger. All of those things are possible if you go to the change symbol here. Okay, so I'm done with that, and I'll hit close, and then I can go to my next one and do my next push pin. And I think that pretty much completes all of this part of